Hey, it's good to see you. Again, this is Jesus, but you can call me Hal, and welcome to Hal's Corner. Here is where we talk about the things that I love: movies, video games, anime, and of course, as you saw in the title for this video, we're going to be building a Lego set. In fact, it's this one. Now, we've already built the Space Shuttle and the Astronaut, so we only got one left. We're going to be building this guy right down here. If you look at the other side, let's see if it wants to actually focus. There we go. So we're going to be building this one right here. We've done, those are the two, like I said, we've had a lot of fun. So let's get right into this one.
All right, as you can see, we have all the pieces separated out here by color. Not by size or anything, but just by color. And we have our instructions for this one. So we're just going to open up and have at it. So first off, it looks like we're looking for that piece and these two pieces. Looks like we're going to connect it just like that. And it looks like we're looking for this piece as well as this piece. And this piece. Okay, so we've connected all that together. Next up, we've got this piece here. And one for each corner. Looks like we need this piece right here as our first one. Okay. We also need two of these pieces, one here as well as one here. And we're going to be connecting two of these ones as well to the build. Gosh, I love doing this. It's so much fun to be able to have built this now 3 different ways. I can't wait to see what this turns out like. I mean, I know we have the picture on the box, but still, seeing it in person, it absolutely is amazing. Fantastic. All right, 2 more. Okay, so next up, we're going to need these 2 pieces. Looks like we're going to be putting that one there and this one there. Alright, next, it appears as though we're going to make some sort of sandwich with 3 pieces. So we're looking for something like this. We're going to be inserting that right onto the body, so right there. Alright, so the next step looks like we're going to be building 2 of them. So we're taking these guys here, as well as 1 and 2, these. I can hear outside my window there is a storm brewing. I can hear in the distance some thunder, so hopefully that doesn't come through, but regardless, it is a stormy time right now. Okay, next up we're putting 2 of these pieces right onto it. That looks better. Hopefully wherever you're at, it's not, hopefully the weather is behaving well where you're at, meaning that it's not typhoons, hurricanes, whatnot, wherever you're located, or any other kinds of natural disasters. So we just added those three on. Okay, we're putting one right there, and then this there, and this there. Okay, next. This is a very dense cluster of pieces that we're putting together. So we're taking this, and we are putting this on the front, and one on each side. And looks like we're just connecting it right there. Now next, it looks like we're connecting these two, as well as one of these, and we are sticking it right here on the top. Beautiful. And the next step has us putting in these ones right here. Okay, so next, it looks like we're taking these two, as well as these two. And then we're snap fitting them right on the back. Oh. And it also appears we're adding these guys to the back. I've never inserted a piece upside down before, but it looks like that's what we're doing right there. Putting two pieces upside down. Okay, it looks like we're adding the tail. Yeah, slide this off to the side. Looks like we're taking one of these pieces. Looks like we're coming up with this sort of a pattern on it. Okay, moving along. And then we're taking what we just did, flipping it upside down, and it looks like we're going to be adding a couple of pieces in here. putting these 3 pieces onto it. And then it looks like we add this to the side. Yep, just snap fit it in. Okay. Now it looks like we're going to build the other wing. All right. So we are, it really feels like we're flying with this one. I think we're going to have this completed here and momentarily. I bet it feels like that way to you as well. This particular set build seems to be just absolutely flying by. Alright, so we added all those pieces. Let's flip it upside down and do what we did for the other side. Just stick that there. Attaching that there. And this here. So like I said with the other one, these 3. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, we actually might be done the build already. Look at that. We have a starfighter or a spaceship or however you want to call it. We have the lovely exhaust coming right out of these engines right out the back. Love the way it looks. And as you can see, the wings do articulate a little bit. So either way you have it, it looks great. Great job.
Well, just like those other 2 sets, this one was a lot of fun to build. Honestly, I don't know if I could say which one I love the most out of the 3. They were all different. They were all unique and fun. You have to let me know which one you prefer. Which one you would have built all the time. So go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. And until next time, be good. And I'll talk to you then. See ya.